So a lot of you have been asking what happened to the PromptWars challenge. It was supposed to be live on 18th of May 2026, but today is 19 and the program is still not live. What happened actually? So in this video, we'll talk about that thing only. Okay. So here, as you see in the PromptWars dashboard, for the people who don't know, it's a no coding learning program where you learn and compete with people, build some cool AI agents completely free of cost, and we get some credits with which you can redeem some cool swags like this. You can see in the thumbnail also you have seen the swags like this. We can redeem the swags. Now actually what happened, people try to cheat the system. They created multiple accounts, not one, not two, not three, not five, more than 15 to 16 accounts they created, and just try to rank in the leaderboard, due to which the genuine participants faced some issue, and then the team re-evaluated all the projects and then just created a new leaderboard for the challenge 2. For challenge 1 they did not check, but in challenge 2 people tried to cheat the system. That's why the leaderboard, you must have seen the ranking have been re-evaluated, and now they have just paused the system. Means the challenge is not ended, it is paused. They will come back again with new modification. As of now, this event is not live. Whenever the event will be live, I'll update you. Currently, the in-person event will come. That is PromptWars in-person, means you can physically visit to that particular place. You can see these are the cities will be updated. You can see Noida, Kolkata, Jaipur, Indore, and some more cities will be added very soon. What you have to do, you have to just click on register now, enter your basic details and just select your city. Whenever these events will be live in the city, you will be notified. And here you have to physically visit. You'll be getting a chance to physically visit Google Office or any hotel. All charges will be bared by them inside the hotel. Okay, they'll give you free food, free credits, and much more over there. But for visiting, if you are from Noida and you are thinking that you'll visit the Kolkata for the challenge, then you have to travel by your own expenses. So whenever the update will be there, I'll make a video for that. Okay, do not worry about it. Now here, most important thing is that if you want to participate in other events also, we have the Arcade program, we have the Gen Academy Epic Edition, so you can participate in different events which are currently live. If you still have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. Thank you, goodbye, and have a great day ahead.